I'm going to show you how to use a non-electrical manual breast pump. This simple pump is a great option for new moms who want something easy, quiet, and portable. A manual breast pump works using gentle hand pressure, so you stay fully in control of the suction and comfort level. It's perfect for travel, quick pumping sessions, or any time you don't want to rely on electricity or batteries. Before you begin, always wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean and dry. Sit in a comfortable position and try to relax. Being calm helps your milk flow more easily. Now, place the breast shield gently over your breast, making sure it's centered and creates a good seal. Hold the handle and slowly start squeezing. Begin with light, quick pumps to stimulate milk flow. Once milk starts flowing, switch to slower, deeper squeezes for comfortable pumping. Remember, pumping should never hurt. If you feel pain, stop and adjust the position or reduce the pressure. Your comfort is very important. As milk flows, it goes directly into the attached bottle, making storage easy and mess-free. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump and close the bottle with a lid. After pumping, always clean all parts with warm, soapy water and let them air dry. Manual breast pumps are simple, affordable, and easy to use, especially for busy moms on the go. With regular practice, you'll feel more confident and comfortable using it. Thank you for watching, and remember, every mom